All right, beautiful. Good day, guys. So today I will be teaching you on how to make a very simple design in Pixellab. So quickly, we'll be going to our Pixellab. Remember, we are making a very simple design in Pixellab. So we go over to the size. With the size we are using is 1280 for width, 1280 for height. Okay. So what next we're gonna do is we'll be getting the background we want to use, the background color we want to use. Okay, let's make this. This should be okay. Let's make use of this one. Just very light color. Okay. Okay, beautiful. So we input a text. We input a text. We input a text. So let's say JG graphics. JG graphics. So we are going to thicken this. Remember, the color we want to use is pure black. We thicken it. Then we increase the size. We want to make sure it's in the middle. So let's make sure it's in the middle. Okay, wonderful. So remember, this is checking. This is to make sure or to check if the lines are tallying. You're getting a straight line and not one side bigger than the other side. All right, now we want to input an image. So we can easily go to the gallery and get image that we've already downloaded. But if you want to get images, how you just easily do it is you go to your pin interest and you search for image. Like here, we just search for beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies. See, so many beautiful ladies will just come and you click on the three dots and save them. Then if I want ladies pertaining to this type of lady, I can just tap on her and I see so many pictures on her page. I can just save them. Tapping on the three dots, I can save as many as possible. Alright, so we've seen how we can get images. Alright, quickly let's go over to our Pixellab. And then we get the image from our gallery. From our gallery, we get images. They've already downloaded images that we have. We go to our gallery. So we go to our gallery. Then we select the image we want to use. Okay, so we go to some images we've already downloaded in Pinterest. Let's just choose one of the beautiful images here. Let's say like this one. So we'll be making it circular. Let's choose this. So beautiful. Okay, so let's give it a stroke. A stroke. A stroke. Okay. The white background is okay. Let's increase it a little. Nice one. So we input motivation. We input a text. Motivation. So based on the picture we are seeing, we'll be putting on motivation that tallies with it, or a text that tallies with it. Don't mind the ad. Okay, we'll be working on positivity, friendship, success, happiness. Let's say happiness. Happiness is an inside job. The secret of happiness is something to do. Happiness is not a goal, it is a byproduct. Lovers who love truly do not. Okay. Happiness can only be found in you. Happiness can only be found if you can free yourself of all distractions. Okay, this one looks nice. Alright, so we're trying to okay. So let's thicken it. Let's change the font. Okay, and let's make it black color will be nice. Nice one. Okay, so let's shift it. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can increase it a bit. Okay, nice one. All right, so we'll input an element into it. Let's say a star. A star will be good. Let's change the color to black. Now we have to duplicate it. Duplicate it. I think this one is enough. Just very simple design on Pixellab. That's just what we want to make. It's looking nice. Okay, so you can still add more things to it too, but we just want to make a very simple design. Happiness can only be found if you can free yourself of all other distractions. All right, okay, so that's just it about it. I think we've made a very simple design with Pixellab. All right, so thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned a lot from this video you just watched. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and share, and also turn on the notification bell in case more videos, valuable videos are being posted. You'll be learning more. Okay, so we have to save it to the simple design. Save it to project, simple design, close. So don't mind the ad. Then you can also save it to our gallery too. Just make it medium so that it doesn't occupy space. So we are going to be seeing this in our gallery once it is been saved. So thanks very much, guys.